Hi guys, and news video is in order. We have tested out deeping once more, and deeping we made some fixes inside ATT, but what do you know, deeping is sick again, so we asked the core members and the beta testers, is it not time to kick deeping out? We've always been saying for the last 6 years, deeping is sick, it's not working on Arch, this is not working, that's not working, right? It's not up to us, but it's up to developers from Arch to make those packages, to build those packages. And if there is always some kind of frustration and some kind of loss of time, one of the rules is no frustration, and it has always been on the brink of being thrown out. This is the day deeping is out. Calamares won't provide it when you put up the ISO next time in September, and also today, because when we push our configuration online and you are online, it gets the data from the GitHub, and deeping will not be there, right? It's out, no frustration anymore, it's always something. Decision has been made, and the ATT, the ArcoLinux Suite tool, same thing, it's out. Are you now lost? No, right? This is Arch, so sudo pacman -s deepin and deepin-extra. That's it. That's all you need to know. And you got deeping again on ArcoLinux, on ArcoLinux, on any of the Arch distributions. It's as simple, but there are errors and things won't work. But now it's up to you, and we will not frustrate you with the choice that we give in Calamares and the choice that we give in the ArcoLinux Suite tool. They're not going to be there anymore, right? That's the news. Cheers.